H bar is testing a major resistance level, and if that sounds interesting to you, make sure to continue watching this video. Alright, here's the plan. This is my last video for today. I'm gonna go to bed. Tomorrow morning when I wake up, I want to see 81.6% of you subscribed. Hey guys, Pingu Charts here. Welcome back to another H-bar analysis video. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. If you guys are interested in free $600 Bitcoin, make sure to check out the link in the bio. Now, as you guys can see on H-bar as of right now, we did have a beautiful continuation pattern. Now, there are a few things I want to talk about in this video. Number one, you guys can see I just drew a very nice resistance point here at 0.046. The reason why I went ahead and drew a line here for you guys is so you have a better understanding of the exact level we are trading at. You can see from previous price analysis, this level of course acted as a very nice support before we had that breakdown formation, and then we tested it as resistance before the continuation. This is the perfect way to kind of analyze an area of support slash resistance, and as of right now, this area is a very crucial point. You can see from the price analysis that we have currently, H-bar did have a beautiful continuation pattern from yesterday's video. I mentioned the fact that as long as H-bar continues to stay above these exponential moving averages, we do have a continuation stage in terms of a bull case scenario, but we have to be very careful here. As of right now, since we have retested this area of resistance, any clean break above this level followed by an area of support would mean the fact that this is a continuation pattern. But right now, if you guys are looking in terms of RSI, we are in extreme overbought conditions. You can see this move on H-bar has been rather large, and I mentioned the fact that if we do see a breakout formation and a strong bullish engulfing candle, our next area of target will be around the 0.057. In my opinion, right now, that is looking a lot more likely, of course, because of the fact we are seeing multiple bullish engulfing candles come into the market, as well as the fact that we have some insane volume happening across the other cryptocurrencies. This is, of course, a much needed rally after a massive move to the downside. You can see on H-bar, we never really saw this relief rally, and as of right now, this is looking extremely healthy. Of course, from my second situation, I also mentioned the fact that because of the fact we broke below this crucial support level here at 0.057, we never really saw that retest opportunity in terms of a resistance point. Since we never saw that resistance point retest and that confirmation, this would mean the fact that this rally could be the possible retest in terms of resistance and then the continuation to the downside. I'm still, of course, looking at our overall target here at 0.015 to be tested, because of the fact that I don't necessarily think the bottom is necessarily in for cryptocurrencies, but this month could definitely be a month of green because of the fact the past few months have been extremely bearish. Now, if we go here and look at the hourly time frames, there is something interesting to note. You can see from the current price action, we have broken above the resistance level here at 0.045, but we are still starting to see multiple rejection candlesticks. A clean break, of course, we have to see a strong bullish engulfing candle. There are way too many times where a lot of traders will see this as somewhat of a breakout formation, get greedy, enter a long position immediately after see a candlestick like this, and then question themselves why it happened. The exact reason is because of the fact that you guys need to learn the fact when we are trading these major resistance or support points, what we are waiting for is a clean confirmation. What that means is a second and third test opportunity before we continue pushing on higher. And as of right now, you can see we are just seeing this retest in terms of resistance, but no clean formation in terms of support. A clean breakout followed by an area of support being tested, and that confirmation would be a lot better than entering prematurely at these levels. Now, in terms of a bearish case scenario, any break below this level, of course, at 0.045, we could be looking for a massive move to the downside because of the fact that even right now on the hourly, we are in overbought conditions. Now, from yesterday's BART formation, which I did mention could be at play, this was invalidated because of the fact we do have a beautiful continuation move. You can see that we did have this BART formation, and then than the continuation move as of right now. So be very careful entering those shorting positions, ladies and gentlemen. Don't try to catch this move to the downside until we have a clean break below these exponential moving averages with some strong volume. I do think that the market is going to continue rallying. Of course, a lot of people are starting to switch a little bit more bullish, but the fact is we still need a very large short squeeze, which is much overdue because of the fact there were a ton of shorting positions that were opened. But that's pretty much all I have for you guys today. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. If you guys are interested in free $600 Bitcoin, make sure to check out the link in the bio, and I hope